Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. Here we scroll down again and tap on accessibility, display and languages. Now in this section we tap on languages. Here we tap on preferred language, update language, and here we can either select from some suggestions. We can tap on show more, where we can browse the languages that the app has, or we can just tap on search and search here whatever language we want to change it to. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.